Hey parents, friends and all. Today on behalf of our entire team, our co-founders, our advisors and our volunteers, I take this privilege to wish all of you a very happy and prosperous new year. So today I have a very small message. We are world and we can only win if we stand together. The year 2020 will go down the history as one of the most unpredicted year for this universe. And therefore, to start 2021, we should inculcate two major habits in ourselves for 2021 and for entire our life. Also, we should take this responsibility to inculcate these two habits in our kids so that they build a better and secure future. So the first one is, we should not take this universe for granted. We should protect our universe, we should save our universe. And to do so, the most simplest thing is to start planting a tree. Yes, you can plant tree on your birthdays, on any of the special occasions. Also, we should teach same thing to our kids. They should plant trees on their birthday, on some achievement, when they are feeling good. They should definitely plant a tree. And believe me, if every one of us will start planting a tree, we will plant at least 2 or 3 trees are planted every year by everyone. It will create a difference. Don't you feel so? Yes, it will create a difference. So this was the first thing, and the second thing is, we should live a life with gratitude. We all have seen 2020 and we have learned that our lives are so unpredictable, our things are so uncertain. So we should always live, we should always thank to the things which we have, we should always be happy, we should always be ready to help and support each other. Once we will start building such ecosystem, it will be a different world, and it will be a different world for our kids as well, because they will be learning these things from their childhood. So with this, today I would like to end here by wishing all of you a very happy new year. Also, I have one small message. I have an announcement to make, and I'm really very happy, pleased to inform you all that we are coming up with e-magazine. We will be launching our first edition of e-magazine on 15th January. Our e-magazines will be uploaded on our website. Yes, our team is really working hard to provide a great content for all of you, for parents as well as for kids. So we have different categories for this e-magazine. If you want to contribute, definitely all contributions are welcome. So you can check up the categories, you can directly get in touch with me regarding same, or you can DM us on our social media handles. We will get back to you on that. So this was the other thing which I wanted to share today. So with this, I wish all of you a very happy, beautiful, great, prosperous new year ahead. Hope you all come up with great things. You all achieve your dreams. Thank you so much. Keep loving us like this. All your love really keeps us motivated. We stay happy. We keep on working hard and harder day by day. Thank you so much.